Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. We have here an Acura today. You see all those dashboard light is on. Let's see what code we have. Usually all the time before you do any work, try to diagnose the car, see what is the cause or what is there. Auto detect, FCW, LDW, Acura. Now all those codes are here. So okay. US. So okay. Diagnose, auto control, all system, just to be sure what's going on. It says take time, but it's okay. Say yes. Okay. The newer the car, the faster the programming will be. Okay, we have ABS code, tire pressure, FCW, LW3. So let me see the report. ABS, yes. Tire pressure, okay. FCW, LDW, and then ABS, steering angle sensor, internal circuit. Steering angle sensor, internal circuit. The camera unit, multi-purpose camera unit, aiming incomplete. Yes. And the steering angle sensor, natural position incorrect. You cannot do this one, or it may not work if you have this problem here. Camera unit, multi-purpose camera unit, aiming. We have a problem with that. Steering angle. So first we have to do, either we have to do the steering angle, This one here. Adjustment. Okay. You have to put it. You're gonna see if there is anything there. It may ask you to do it if it's not available, but I believe we have to get tools to do that. You can't do it just like this without aiming. So we need a static camera aiming. You need to have target. This is only a test idea what's gonna happen, but we don't have this one. We need to get tools for it. LDW. Target not found. Static camera was interrupted. Okay, so I'm gonna escape. Okay, and then also here we need to do the steering angle sensor. I want to do the ABS system. Read the code. This is an internal malfunction. How are you? Good. Okay. Adjustment. Eight 84-1. Let me see what I have. No, so it's not gonna work. So this one we have a problem with it. I cannot read the steering angle. Steering angle, I cannot read it. Let me see the data for the steering angle sensor. Okay. Now I see something. I just adjust it here, 0. Okay, let me see now. -2 to +2 degree, okay. No DTC is detected. Still have a DTC. Erase quotes. No code. Let me see now. I clear all the code. Gear and park. Or neutral position. Apply parking brake. Apply parking brake and then okay. Okay. Lock to lock. No, something wrong. Internal failure. Okay, so we have to fix this one first and then we can do all the other work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. We don't need this code 2720. Please subscribe, share and like. I'm gonna go back and look at one thing more. I believe we have to take care of this is steering angle sensors, and then we can go to the next level. Please subscribe, share and like. And if you have any problem or any question, feel free to ask. We are just trying to fix this problem.